Hello team. Today we are going to create a new application which is React QR code generator on the Atlassian Forge application. For this we will add a package from the React QR library which is React QR code generator. Let's copy and install it. For this we will go to the static folder directory. Let's go to the static directory, static hello world, and install the package here. So it will install the package in the hello world directory of static folder. Let's wait for it. So its installation is done. Let's go to the project files, and here we remove the older code. Here use effect is not in use, invoke not in use, and we will remove this as well. So first we will implement the functionality which needs to create a QR code. So let's implement state. So my state is data, set data, and default is blank. So let's add a function on change. Let's create an input which is input tab text, and add a function on change. On change will handle change. So let's implement handle change function, const handle change, which will be async function, which can be async function. Event. So set data event dot target dot value. So let's implement React QR codes function, which is QR code. QR code. Let's import from React QR code. So the function is imported now. Let's add some height and width to it. So I'm copying these values, and for the value I will use data, and I will deploy this function using Forge deploy. Before that we need to create a build using npm run build. It will create a static build for the React applications. So our build is ready. Now let's back to the so- source directory, which is hello world. Now deploy our function using forge deploy command and wait for it to deploy. So we can see that our function is deployed. So we will now check on the Atlassian Forge site. Let's open my site. My site is PSL demo. Let's click on the ticket. Now click on this issue. Find out the application. Our application is Hello World custom UI. Click here. So we can see there is some static uh, barcode is generated. Now change its value. I am adding like hello world. So this is changed now. Let's so we can see that our functionality is now working fine. So that is for all this video. If you like this video, please